Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can copy the link of the group chat on Instagram application. You just need to open your Instagram, and right after that you just need to go site and log in with your account. And now you just need to make sure you stay in the home sections here. Whenever you are in the home section, just look at the top side. There will be two options here. Just go click this one to visit your message collection and just open the group chat that you created. Make sure that you know the one who can copy the link for the invitations link is only the admin of the Google, or I mean the group chat. Now you just need to tap on the top side here, and there will be like invitation link. Go click it and just go click copy, and then you will got the invitation link copied into your phone, and you can like paste into the application that you use to send or into your friends. So that is the way how you can like copy the link of invitation of the group chat and Instagram. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.